Weather Service has told us as of earlier this afternoon, the new Hammond KHDC radar is up, operational, and thankfully we won't need it for the next several days as we will stay dry. Some rain in the forecast by early next week, but even that is not too sure of a thing. We'll talk about that in a moment. Not a cloud in sight at the moment, and we will stay under clear skies overnight and a lot of sunshine for most of the day tomorrow. We will start to see some cloud cover increasing later in the night on Friday. At the moment, though, temperatures are on the cool side, 58 degrees. Now, dew points did come up a little bit, so it almost has kind of that damp chill to the air. Winds light out of the southwest, fairly light winds overall. So this is not really an increase in humidity because of a wind shift. That comes in during the day tomorrow. Dew points some 30s, 40s, and now a few low 50s here and there. Most areas, though, in the 40s. That'll continue into the day tomorrow, so that dry air in place. However, by the late afternoon, evening, those dew point values start to increase, and we'll have dew points more in the 50s. Certainly not a muggy feel, but a little more of a humid feel during the day Saturday. By Easter Sunday, those dew points are then in the lower, maybe some mid-60s. That will have a little bit more of a humid feel, but again, I would not describe it as muggy. That's reserved for when those dew points get into the 70s, and we know that's coming. In fact, there may be some locations that dew points do get briefly into the lower 70s before a front moves through late on Tuesday, bringing with it another surge of cooler and drier air for the middle to end of next week. So for the first couple of days of April, that's Monday and Tuesday, warm and humid, and then temperatures and humidity will be coming down later in the week. Very light winds, almost non-existent at the moment, and a beautiful Good Friday. During the afternoon hours, highs will be a little bit warmer. Then warmer, more humid through the Easter weekend, including, or especially I should say, Easter Sunday. A little bit of rain is possible late on Tuesday with a front, and then another cool down is on the way by Wednesday. Here's what's happening in the upper atmosphere, big upper trough. This is what brought in the beautiful weather. Now on the horizon for the next several days will be this upper ridge. That warms temperatures, also keeps us dry, but that will allow the temperatures to get into the lower, even some mid 80s by Monday and Tuesday. Then upper troughing will send another cold front on through with temperatures dropping by Wednesday. High pressure basically sitting right over the region. That has kept us under sunny skies today and mostly sunny skies during the day tomorrow. And really most of the day, and that's going into the evening hours, will be sunny. By the later evening and night, we'll start to see some cloud cover coming in, and at the same time, we'll start picking up that southeasterly wind, which is bringing back the warmer and more humid air. And again, that takes us right through Easter Sunday and into early next week. Then fast forwarding to Tuesday morning, a front not too far away. We'll start to see some rainfall developing along the front, but not very aggressive with rainfall in southeast Louisiana. Most of the dynamics, the upper energy with this feature, are going to be well north of us, and that's where the bulk of any storms will be, and maybe the bulk of the rainfall. The severe weather outlook is likely a possibility of a slight risk. That would be a level 2, well to our north on Monday, and as this front continues pushing eastward, by Tuesday, that threat is very far to our north, more northern Mississippi, northern Alabama. So at the moment, not looking at certainly a severe weather risk, and maybe even not much in the way of rainfall. Beautiful weather for our Good Friday, and still very nice for Easter Sunday. Warmer still Monday and Tuesday, then a front moves through by Wednesday.
The